Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. So today would be normally my channel shout out video, which I'll just push back to next week. Because today is actually the 8-year anniversary of my channel, of my first upload. And I would be shooting this at the park right now, except that I left my tripod at home, and then I didn't realize it until I got halfway to the park. I even had a bag all packed up and ready. So anyway, so yeah, 8 years, man, time sure flies. It feels like I was just doing a 7-year announcement, but here I am announcing 8 years. It's crazy. It doesn't really seem like it's been that long either, but yeah. February 6th, which is tomorrow, 2014 was my first upload. So, yeah, yay. Anyway, yeah, I thought I'd just go ahead and throw this in there now. I kind of hinted that I was working on a kind of a secret project as of late. I mentioned in my update video. And I thought I'd go ahead and share. If you're a Facebook friend of mine, you already know, because I already posted on Facebook. Sorry if we're not Facebook friends, but I already made the announcement over there. But my secret project is this guy. On January 6th, wow, it's actually a month ago. Well, a month ago, tomorrow will be a month. But January 6th was a Friday. I joined Planet Fitness. And Saturday, February 7th, I ran down to Costco. I got a couple pairs of pants to work out in. And then February 8th, it's not February 8th, January 8th, I've been working out. And I've been going, with the exception of yesterday, I missed because I worked. I've been going to the gym every single day without fail. Even on days I really didn't want to go, I made myself go. And I got up this morning, I pushed away from the computer, got up, hit the gym, and I was really sweating it too. I can roll in some photos of, yeah, I can roll in some photographs, me sweating it up at the gym. Yeah, so I've been on it every day, and because I worked 12 hours yesterday, I couldn't go to the gym, although there was one nearby, but I didn't have my workout clothes, so I couldn't go. And yeah, but I went up today. Today was leg day, so what I've been doing is I do treadmill. I do a 1 mile on the treadmill. I started off really slow, not too fast, not too, not a high incline. Just do a full mile nonstop without a break. As I was walking the first day, I was like, I wonder how long I should walk for, and I was watching the mileage meter because it goes in tenths. So I was like, well, maybe we'll see, maybe half mile, maybe 3/4 of a mile. But I just did the whole mile. Then it ended up being like 1.03, because I do the full mile, then I do kind of a cool down as I just lowered the speed and dropped the incline, and I'm like, so get off, I'm all wobbly, like, oh, weird. And then I do a mile, and then like today, because it was Sunday, I do legs. I do legs, I do back, and then I do abs. And then when I'm all done with all the machines, I use mostly machines. When I'm done with all the machines, I go and I do a 1/4 mile on the treadmill at a lower speed, and just like a 2 incline, just sort of a cool down. I do a 1/4 mile, so I do a 1/4 mile and a 1/4 every day on the treadmill, with the exception of yesterday. And tomorrow when I go back, I'm going to do. Tomorrow is Monday, so it's going to be arms, chest, upper back, and then abs again, and then another mile on the treadmill. Then I actually use some of the free weights. Try to work on my forearms, my You know, biceps, triceps, you know, back of my shoulders, trying to do I do the pull down on the machine, and I do presses and all kinds of stuff. So I hit all those machines, and I do a quarter mile when I'm done with all the machines. I don't work abs like super hard every day. Just I'll do some crunches, and I'll do there's one you kind of spin on, like you spin your torso back and forth, work in the middle. So I've been doing that. I did that today. I might do a little bit of it tomorrow. I don't do it, try to do it every single day, but yeah, it's kind of my workout. And yeah, it seems to be going all right. Today I was really I was pouring sweat today. I think I could have wrung out my shirt. Actually, I should get some water here soon. I haven't had any water in a little bit, so I got to make sure I'm hydrating too. You might have noticed in some of my videos, some of my learn to cook videos, and also a few of my cast iron cooking, I've been trying to put more greens and more salads in my meals, and that's kind of one of the reasons why, you know, less junk. I've actually started drinking less soda too, because I mean, even though I drink diet soda, I used to drink maybe 5-6 cans on a heavy day, and maybe like 3 to 4 on like a work day. But I've been down to like maybe 2. I actually, it's already it's 12:30 right now. I got up at 5 a.m. I had a Monster Energy because that's still my vice, but I haven't had any I haven't had a single soda yet. So I might eat one with dinner, drink one with dinner, but yeah, I've been just cutting back on soda. Haven't been drinking any. I mean, it's diet anyway, but still I've been drinking less of it. Yeah, so that's kind of what I've been doing. I've been working on me. And I mentioned I worked yesterday, so it was my day off yesterday, but I worked because I mentioned to Gerbs that I wanted to drive up and visit him and Kimmers. But yeah, I'm gonna need gas money, so so I've been like bugging my other managers. Hey man, you got any work? Got any hours? I'm gonna bug a guy tomorrow when I get back to the work. As soon as I get on the computer, I'm gonna message him and go, hey man, you need some coverage again Saturday? Because I'm really looking for hours. I would have worked today if it was offered, but they didn't offer me anything. So, because you know, the more money I make now, I can, you know, because I can always throw, you know, if I got a couple extra, you know, if I got an extra $100, I can throw it on my credit card or put it in savings, so in case something happens. So, you know, kind of need money. I invested $2 in the lottery, but you know, fingers crossed. Well, knock some wood. Maybe I'll hit, but you know, I can't guarantee that. I mean, it's only $2, but I guess that's it. So yeah, it's been working on me, trying to get some money together for a trip. Probably not going to be till this spring, but if I make it now, you know, the more I build my savings, and maybe I can kick my credit card down a little bit too, you know, plus pay bills and everything else in daily life. But still going to be working out. So that's, you know, I've been putting it a little bit more focused on the exercise and not much on the channel, just because I want to get, you know, in better shape. So one, I'll feel better. Two, I'll look better. Hopefully look better. Where's that wood at? So, you know, plus I know someone who's, you know, getting up there in age and they're having a real hard time because of their weight. So it's like, I don't want to be like struggling, because I live here alone. So it's like, you know, if I trip and fall in my own house, and I'm gonna be laying there until I can crawl my way to a phone or something. I don't want to live my late in life. I don't want to be which will be here, you know, before you know it. I will be struggling just to move around. So yeah, but I'm also not working too hard either at it. You know, I've been going at it. I started off real slow, low weights, you know, not trying to push too hard so I wouldn't get too sore, overly sore, because I would get discouraged. I've just been going slow. So I really didn't mention anything before, because I didn't want to get flooded with a bunch of workout advice. Oh man, you need this, this, and this, and this, and this. Like, just going at my own pace. I mean, maybe it's not the best pace, but I figured it's better than just sitting home doing nothing. So I think I played the $199 deal at Planet Fitness. Yeah, so because I calculated it all out, and you know, it's 18 months for only $199 versus like $10 a month. Because some months I may not want to pay it, so then I wouldn't be going. So I just figured if I pay it all now and up front, I'll have a year and a half to get in there. And I've been, you know, I've been pushing at it that's my cell phone, every day. So Saturdays are the only day that I only, if I'm not working, I just do the treadmill. But you know, that was supposed to be my day of rest anyway. So tomorrow I'm back at it. It will be Monday. This video will be up at midnight tonight. So yeah, I'll probably be up in the morning. I'll eat breakfast while I answer your comments, and then I'll just turn the computer off, go hit the gym, and come home and get ready for work for the week ahead. Alright, well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Comments. Channel shout will be back next week. And then I'll probably get up and film one anyway and just have it ready. Yeah, I guess that's it. So here's to another year of YouTube. So have a good one. Catch you in the next one.